Located on a small dead-end street, this stunning location is on a quiet side street that you may not even know existed. This expanded colonial, with spacious rooms and a great floor plan, is perched on the banks of the Merrimac River with a 45-foot dock. This is the home you've been waiting for. Originally built in the 1850s and reimagined in 1993 with a large addition and an oversized two-car garage, the unobstructed water views from most of the rooms make this your waterfront oasis. Expansive eat-in kitchen features a center island and a breakfast nook and is anchored by an original fireplace. It's a great gathering space which opens to a large deck. Adjacent to the kitchen is a fireplace family room and a first-floor office with built-ins. The second-level master suite boasts a fireplace and a master bath, both generously proportioned with fantastic views. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail while you watch the boats cruise by, the eagles soar, and waterfowl play from your private waterfront patio. Truly a very rare offering. Newburyport, Massachusetts is a city with a long and rich history. A city where historic preservation has been a key to economic revitalization. A city whose foundation is based on maritime trade. And a city who values its historic sites. Annual events such as the Yankee Homecoming bring the entire town alive every summer. Boutiques, cafes, coffee shops, theaters, antique shops, bookstores, import shops, and food emporiums dot the landscape and the lively downtown area. All over town you can see shipyards, as well as the salt box and Victorian homes, federal mansions and colonial houses that are today's cherished homes. Visitors are drawn from all over New England and the world to this seaport rich in history and beauty. Numerous outdoor spaces and parks provide recreational opportunities in all seasons. From cross-country skiing and snowshoeing in the winter to horseback riding and biking trails. Nearby Plum Island provides amazing bird watching and miles of pristine beaches, as well as the Parker River National Wildlife Refuge. And best of all, it's just an hour train ride into Boston's North Station.